Okay, y'all, so who doesn't love free baby stuff? Today I got my free Babylist Hello Baby Box, and we're gonna unbox it together to see if it's worth it. It's supposed to be about $100 worth of free stuff, and as well as all you have to do is just create a registry. You create your registry, then you purchase either $30 worth of something, or you can have someone purchase something off that registry that's worth $30 or more. And then voila, they go ahead and send you your free baby box. Look, it came in this cute little packaging, the cute little box. It's a pretty big box. So I'm gonna just go through, take you through what's inside. And when you open it up, there's a little message in there. Hello, baby. We're excited to be a part of your growing family. We love hearing from you. So at Babylist on social and let us know what you love from this box. We're so happy to be on this journey with you, the Babylist team. That's super cute. All right, so it's a lot of stuff in here. It's a lot of stuff in here. The first thing that fell out is this Suvanex pacifier. Y'all, it's been 8 years, really 9 years since I had a baby, so I don't really know all these brands anymore. But it says it has a shorter, flatter head and a thinner, wider neck. So I don't know. It looks interesting. It looks like it would be good for your baby. Then the next thing is a Rascals diaper. It says it's stretchy. It has advanced leak protection. It dries fast. Zero nasties. And then it's a premium diaper. Cute little bear onesie. It's called Small Story. And then there's another, it's another coupon inside with a 20% off QR code. And you have another pack of diapers by Huggies, which most of us are familiar with Huggies. I've used Huggies in the past as well, and I've intertwined between Huggies and the Pampers brand. But now, since I've had a baby 9 years ago, there's so many more brands that I've never even heard of. So like Parasol disposable bibs. It's a disposable bib. I guess if you're on the go and you don't want to take a regular bib that you have to clean and wipe, you can just take this with you and throw it right in the trash. So yeah, it has a built-in crumb catcher and it's instant mess control, and this has a waterproof layer. The Honest Company clean wipes, ultra soft, plant-based, what does it say? Compostable cloth, and then keeps wipes wet, extra durable. Okay, so now we're just getting to some bottles. We have a Philips Avent bottle. It's a natural bottle. It's probably just a smaller ounce. It looks like maybe it goes up to maybe 4 or 5 ounces. But that's nice that you can kind of play around with the bottles and see which one you like best. And then this is probably one of the most popular ones. There's a Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle that it came with. Doesn't say what this is, so I'm just gonna open it up and see what it is. I have no idea because it's wrapped up, but it's from Lancinol. What is this? Okay, it's some nipple pads. There's like 2 nipple pads in here. And then there's a breast storage milk bags. We have some skin therapy oil by Cocoa Butter Formula. And it's supposed to help you with your stretch marks. A Lume deodorant, just to try that out. It's all natural deodorant. I have more breast milk storage bags. This one is by Motif, and also heard that their breast pump is really good. So I'm also like researching, trying to figure out who has the best breast pump. Laundry detergent by Noodle and Boo. Never heard of this company, but would love to try this out. Some water wipes. This company is, oh, it's called Water Wipes. Sensitive newborn and baby wipes. Some triple paste. This is a skin protectant from Dapper Rashes. Tummy Tide. I've just started hearing about this brand. This is all over ointment for the baby. It's a little sample of that. I actually put the set on my registry for Tummy Tide. So would love to try this out for bath time. And then Aveeno. There's an Aveeno baby lotion in here. And then we also have Jack and Jill natural certified toothpaste, which I'm assuming is for me because the baby is not going to have any teeth yet. Oh, one more bottle. This is a MAM bottle. It mimics mom's nipple, is easy to clean, and is an innovative anti-colic system. Lastly, it's just a couple of different brochures. This is for photos from Shutterfly. This is from Infant Formula by Bobby for organic whole milk. And then this is a free swaddle. I want to look into this. Probably have to buy something by Little Unicorn. Then we have free diapers by the brand called Diaper. Not sure what I would have to do. I put in this code here. And then this is a magnet for the refrigerator, and it's supposed to remind you how long to store your breast milk as well as to how to maintain your breast milk. Oh, for the Jack and Jill toothpaste, it says my name when my first tooth arrived. That's super cute. So that's all we have in the Babylist welcome box, and definitely think it's worth spending the $30 to get this box. A lot of nice new and free goodies, especially brands that I have never heard of, and give me the opportunities to just try some things out with like different samples and to see what I would really want to invest my money in. So, all right, see you in the next one.